Week 9 topic. Hi everyone. It may seem like a long time since our last conversation. I hope you recall our discussion that font and color are used to grab attention and even justify audience's decision. You may recall an additional reading from week 5, The Psychology of Color in Logo Design, that talks about meanings and feelings primary and secondary colors offered. This week, we'll dig deeper into color theory and color cultures. There are many shades and tones of colors. How are we gonna select proper colors for our design? Of course, we would want to choose color palette that can help evoke the audience's feelings in association with our communication objectives. Also, cultural meanings of colors need to be recognized and considered when it comes to design. The next video is on the effect of colors, which I think it fits with our reading and discussion this week. Check it out.